Today we will learn how to write text around your image in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image in Photoshop. We will create text around this girl. To do that, we need to first make a selection of this girl. Take the object selection tool and click on header, select subject. It will automatically make a selection. If you are using an older version of Photoshop, you can use the quick selection tool as well. We only want a single selection, we don't want the multiple ones. So we are going to remove the others. Take the subtract from selection tool from the header and remove this selection. Sometimes you need to do it multiple times. Now we need to expand the selection. For this, go to select, modify, expand. Set the value 50 pixel. It can be lower or higher value, depend on the size of the image. Click OK. Now take the rectangular marquee tool, right click on selection, make work path. This process will convert our selection to a work path. Set the tolerance 1, click OK. As you can see, the path is created, but we have too much points inside this path, and that is going to be problematic for us. Let me show you how. Take the type tool and click on path when the round around the T disappear. The text is looking so congested because the trajectory of the paths have too much points and it's not smooth enough. So we need to smooth the path first, then type the text. Let's undo it for now. Take the move tool, press Ctrl or Command Z to undo. Undo it 2 times, we want the selection part. Open the channels tab and click on save selection as channel. It will create an alpha channel from the selection. Select it and go to select deselected for now. Then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Set the radius 25, click OK. Now the main process. Go to images, adjustment, levels. In the input level, drag the dark arrow towards right and the white arrow to the left. It will create a contrast between black and white, and the grays will be in the middle. You can see the difference, the whites are looking so smooth now. Click OK. Now click on load channel as selection and select RGB for default channel. Get back to layers, take the rectangular marquee tool, right click on selection, make work path. Set the tolerance value 1, click OK. The process is same, but you can see the difference. Now we have less points and a lot more smooth path. Now take the text tool and click on path. I have already copied the text before, press Ctrl or Command V to paste it. Text is also looking a lot more smoother. But somehow if you get into a situation where you need to fix some issues like this one, you can take the delete anchor points tool and click on extra points to delete them and make the curve a lot more smoother. It will automatically make your text smooth as well. There is another tool that you need to know if you are working with path and text. That is path selection tool. Click on path and drag it inside. It will make your text inside. Now drag it outside. It will make your text outside. And while dragging, you can also control the start point and the end point for the text. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for learning updates. Let me know in the comment section how was the tutorial or if you have any doubts. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Aina. Let's meet on another great tutorial. For the time being, goodbye.